Hey guys, Pete here, HVAC Greatness. So with the pricing calculator that we've created, what we've done is done another option for you guys who maybe you just want the tool and you just want to be able to calculate individually a change out or repair, even a maintenance visit or some type of an hourly rate for your business. I've created another option for you guys in the form of a live training that's going to be coming up next week. I'll show you here what that's going to look like. It's actually going to be Wednesday, June 10th. I'll record these. Maybe we'll put a link later into this video if you want to go over and watch the recorded version. But the first 5 students are going to get $100 off, and this is the amount. But let's talk about what we're going to actually be doing. So here's your net profit pricing calculator. Now this is not, let me just clarify, the full pricing system, okay, where we have everything else. It's just a calculator, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to go in, we'll explain what your COGS are, your cost of goods sold, and how to separate that overhead and your variable auto expense. And we actually do what's called a net profit pricing. And this is much better than gross margin and all these other things because your overhead is actually a number, as you can see here. A number and not some fictitious percentage of the cost of doing business. And the way we can do that is when we set your company up, we enter in all the information here. I'll walk you through this, and it all comes from over here, which is your basic overhead. So we come in and put things like your rent and then your cell phones and insurance, all that stuff. And we come up with an overhead, and we can actually look at setting you up a capacity, which means how many jobs you need to sell in order to, make sure the bills are paid. And we can look at annual projections in terms of what you need to do in terms of advertising, as well as this is a cool little tool. Let's say you want to hire that helper at $25 an hour, and he's only able to help you on change outs in terms of being directly billable. And what is he actually costing you? And so these are actually extra bonus tools, but the primary tool is this, where we'll come in, you put in your equipment. Let's say we've got this 4-ton system, and it comes in, automatic populates. And the reason I'm showing this on a different tab, by the way, is this goes on and on and on. You can list all your equipment in here and just select and unselect what you want. So if I wanted to go to a 2-ton instead of the 4-ton, I just did that. Now I've got a $4,000 piece of equipment. And when it comes over here, it's got $4,100 because it looks like I put a $100 miscellaneous item on there. And here's my sales tax. Here's my credit card rating. One day sitting on the job with my truck, 2 men on that day. I'm paying them by the hour. There's my overhead right there. This is my break even. And if I'm wanting to do a net profit of say 20% on this job, I need to get 92.47 for this job. And this is accurate, guys. All we have to know is back over here at the original, how billable is your department? And this is a 50% billable. And what that means is how many jobs are you selling every month, right? Can we keep those installers busy? If you're a hybrid, which means that you are doing the installs yourself and doing service calls, we're going to show you how to do that as well. But the point is that this is a basic calculating tool, and we're going to be talking about that here. I'll put the link to this. If you want to register now, this will take you to a payment link. And the first 5, it's only $4.97. You own this tool, so you can turn it into Excel, use Google Sheets, whatever you want, and all you do is pull up on the job, enter in your information, boom, spits out a price, and it's going to be right. So we've done this for your repairs. We've done this for your replacements. We've done this for maintenance, and here's something else that's pretty cool. We can do this for an hourly rate. So we can come down here, and let's say you've got 2 employees, and their combined hourly rate is $80 an hour, and here's the overhead for the entire business. We know that the overhead per hour, based on this company being 50% billable, in other words, out of a 40-hour week, they're billable 20 hours, right? There's other stuff in between, running around doing stuff. You're busy, but you're not billable. So we help you calculate that. And then we look at how many available hours. We add the overhead burden in there, or your labor burden, which means you got a little bit of inefficiency time, things like that. It's not just dollar for dollar. There's other things like hidden costs like workers' compensation and matching Social Security and stuff like that. But what it does is it actually comes up with a break-even hourly rate. Here we are. For this company, he needs to get $230.60 per 66 cents per hour for these guys, which would be about $300 an hour per tech in this particular scenario under these particular conditions. What we would do is we'd set yours up for your situation, and number one, how many hours you need to be billable, so that in how much advertising you need to be doing. We build all that into your cost, and guess what? You can have predictable income, and you can actually be profitable on this thing. So if you decide to come in and you want to just do the training and try this out at the discounted amount, and later you want to add these other pricing tools, so we've got a complete flat rate book template, an actual calculator that does something called level of service. All that stuff will be available for an upgrade, and we'll actually give you a break on that as well. So Pete Ramsey here, HVAC Greatness. Come join us. We're going to be doing this next week. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.